Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's lesson, we will learn how to write a professional job application letter for a professional hiker position. If you are someone who wants to work in guided hiking, outdoor education, or wilderness leadership, this video will help you structure a strong and effective application. A job application letter is a formal document written to an employer to express interest in a specific position. In this letter, the applicant introduces themselves, explains their experience, showcases their skills, and demonstrates why they are a good fit for the role. In the outdoor and hiking industry, a job application letter is especially important because employers need to trust that applicants are capable, responsible, skilled in outdoor safety, and able to lead and guide others confidently. Now let's go through the sample letter step by step, beginning with the applicant's details at the top left. Michael Turner, 3471 Granite Ridge Pass, Boulder, Colorado 80302. Email michael.turner@email.com. Phone 720-614-9822. This section gives the employer all the necessary contact information. It includes your full name, home address, email address, and phone number. It is important that your contact information is accurate and professional. A professional-looking email address is important because it reflects your level of seriousness and credibility. Always make sure your information is current so the employer can contact you quickly if they want to schedule an interview. Next, we have the date. Date: June 15th, 2026. Placing the date helps the employer track when the letter was written. It also follows proper business letter formatting and creates a clean, professional impression. Omitting the date can make a letter look incomplete or rushed. After that, we list the employer's information. Hiring manager: Summit Outdoor Adventures, 1825 Trailblazer Road, Colorado Springs, CO 80903. This section shows who the letter is directed to. If you know the hiring manager's name, you could include it here, but if not, hiring manager is perfectly acceptable and professional. Including the company name and address shows that this letter is meant specifically for that organization, which gives the impression of a personalized application rather than a generic letter copied many times. Next, we include the subject line. Subject: Application for professional hiker position. A subject line is useful because it makes it clear right away what the letter is about. Employers may receive dozens of applications for different roles, so stating your purpose here helps them organize and understand your letter immediately. It also gives the letter structure and clarity. Now we move to the salutation, which is the greeting of the letter. Dear Hiring Manager. This is a polite and professional way to begin the letter. If you know the name of the person reviewing the application, you can replace this with a personal greeting. However, when the name is not available, Dear Hiring Manager is the best option and maintains a professional tone. Now we come to the first main paragraph. I am writing to apply for the professional hiker position at Summit Outdoor Adventures. With over 5 years of long-distance backpacking experience across national parks, wilderness areas, and high-altitude terrains, I believe I can contribute effectively to your guided hiking programs and outdoor initiatives. This introductory paragraph sets the stage. It clearly states the position being applied for, which eliminates confusion. The applicant then summarizes their experience in the most important areas: long-distance hiking, wilderness travel, and high-altitude trekking. These details immediately tell the employer that the applicant has real, practical experience that applies directly to the position. For outdoor jobs, employers need to feel confident that applicants have true field experience, not just interest, and this paragraph helps build that confidence from the very beginning. When writing your own introduction, be clear, direct, and focus on your strongest qualifications. Now we move into the second paragraph. In my current role as a freelance trail guide based in Boulder, I lead small hiking groups, conduct safety briefings, prepare outdoor survival plans, and assist individuals in building confidence in unfamiliar environments. I am skilled in navigation, first aid response, and maintaining group morale on challenging multi-day treks. This paragraph provides detailed examples of what the applicant actually does in their current position. Mentioning specific responsibilities helps the employer see the applicant not just as someone who hikes for fun, but as a professional who works with clients, teaches skills, and ensures group safety. Leading hiking groups and conducting safety briefings shows leadership and responsibility. Preparing outdoor survival plans demonstrates planning ability and situational awareness. Assisting individuals to build confidence shows communication and mentoring skills. The applicant also highlights navigation, first aid response, and maintaining morale, three highly important qualities for any wilderness guide. Employers want leaders who can keep groups motivated, safe, and informed. When writing your own letter, always include specific tasks you perform and the skills you use, rather than vague statements. Next, we move to the third main paragraph. I take pride in promoting responsible and sustainable hiking practices that protect natural land while offering meaningful experiences for participants. Summit Outdoor Adventures' commitment to outdoor education and environmental respect aligns strongly with my values and professional approach. This paragraph is powerful because it connects the applicant's personal philosophy with the company's mission. Employers value candidates who are not only experienced, but also a cultural and ethical fit. By stating that they value responsible and sustainable hiking practices, the applicant shows environmental awareness and professionalism. Employers in the outdoor industry want guides who respect nature and teach others to do the same. This paragraph also shows that the applicant has researched the company and understands what they stand for. When writing your own letter, this is a good place to show why you want to work for that specific organization. Now we have the final main body paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and outdoor leadership experience can support your organization. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. This is a polite and forward-looking paragraph. It shows that the applicant is interested in moving to the next step, which is an interview. It also makes things easy for the employer by reminding them how to get in touch. In business letters, it is always helpful to close with an invitation for follow-up because it shows confidence and readiness. Next, the closing sentence. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team. This sentence expresses appreciation and excitement without sounding demanding. It is respectful, professional, and leaves a positive impression. Finally, we have the closing signature block. Sincerely. Signature. Michael Turner. Sincerely is a professional closing that works well with business letters. If this were a printed letter, the applicant would sign above their typed name. For email submissions, the typed name alone is perfectly acceptable. When writing a job application letter for a professional hiker or outdoor guide role, remember that employers want more than someone who simply enjoys hiking. They want someone who understands safety, group dynamics, leadership, planning, navigation, and environmental responsibility. Use your letter to show your most impressive experience, specific accomplishments, and personal values. Always review your letter for spelling, grammar, and formatting before sending it. A clean and professional letter makes a stronger first impression. And finally, believe in your experience and skills. If you have the ability to guide others in the wilderness, then you can definitely present yourself confidently in a job application letter. With a strong application and dedication, you can position yourself as a strong candidate and move closer to the professional outdoor career you want.